Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get an England accent. To begin, it's important to recognize that England accent encompasses several regional variations. We'll primarily focus on received pronunciation, often considered a standard or posh accent, which is widely understood and recognized. Start by immersing yourself in authentic British media, paying close attention to the way words are formed and sentences flow. This initial step is crucial for developing an ear for the distinct sounds. Next, let's dive into specific vowel and consonant sounds that define an England accent. A key feature is the broadest sound, as heard in words like bath or dance, which is pronounced more like ah. Also, the non-rhotic R is vital. You typically won't roll or strongly pronounce the R at the end of words or before consonants. For instance, car becomes ka. Additionally, the T sound can sometimes be a glottal stop, as in butter, which sounds like boo-er. Moving on to intonation and rhythm, these elements are just as important as individual sounds. British English often features a more varied pitch range compared to some other accents, with distinct rising and falling tones, especially at the end of sentences or questions. Listen for how speakers connect words, creating a smooth, almost melodic flow rather than distinct, separate words. This natural rhythm helps your speech sound authentic and less stilted, making it much easier for listeners to understand. Finally, consistent practice and immersion are your best tools for success. Regularly record yourself speaking and critically compare your pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm to native speakers. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are part of the learning process. Seek opportunities to converse with people who have an England accent. Watching British television shows and films, perhaps without subtitles, will further immerse you in the sounds and nuances of the accent, reinforcing your learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.